going. And Cali fucking on a hoe from USC, but I ain't wearing Trojan. The police treat me like a lineman. They always wanna hold me. My love homie ride to a big homie, and I calm down the beef. Your little homie ride my big homie. I'm killing whatever breathe. I got some dog, I ain't hit. Can't let this off the leash. I knew my high school teacher was a fiend, cause she ain't had no teeth. Knew this bitch pussy was good. It's by the way she speaks. Say a lot of smart dumb shit. I think she don't know how to read.
How you doing? Dehydrated out here, bro. We hiking in some Yeezys and shit. Bro. How does that sound good? Damn. I'm a two-time felon. One more make me dead. I can go to my plug and show my face to get a bird from him. So I mentioned in this lame ass nigga. I never heard of him. Okay, I did, but chill out. We supposed to murder him. So my hike in my Yeezys, man, that shit was, they comfortable, I ain't gonna lie. I got the grip on the rocks. You know, he just saw me hiking the Yeezys, man. Tell him how the experience was of hiking with me and my Yeezys. Tight. Alright, let's go. Osama is 4,400 for this pound. I'm smoking on Obama. I shot a nigga that I love. I'm going through some trauma. Crazy thing about it, I did this shit in front of this nigga mama. What's really crazy, this nigga's mama is my blood granny. A rat tried to check me last week. I almost killed Taryn. Hey, he said he wanted to go in and out with me earlier. He gay. Look at this gay boy. What? Got the demons on the track. Go another black one.
Yeah, so I seen this shit.
It's another black one. Oh, bro. Hey, it's some white ones coming too. Yeah, man. So we're starting to meet. Meet starting. Cat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cats right now. Yeah, 7 cats right now. So. But he got real active followers.
I was been following him since before the white body.
Oh, we gonna bump in. I think he drove like 3 hours to come fuck with us. He told me he was gonna see you, and then he texted me this morning randomly. Like, Tony Cole. I was like, that's lit, my man.
Hey, meet the Sixers, not your average niggas. We get money, bitch, that can figure. 600 chain when it swing, this bitch glitz. She listen, I might drip the bitch with some Chris. A nigga play with me, next day bet he miss. Boy, you out of my truck, gotta watch how I whip. Came up off a rap, never thought I could vision these cities and all of these hundreds and fifties.
Came in ballin', they call us the big. Known for stepping on shit like a nigga with big feet. Chasing that sack, I feel like I'm an athlete. Heard he was bumping them bullets pro acne. Dog ass nigga, I run a whole Ragley. Fresh out that water, that dope look ash. From bowls or shows, I never unmasked. I done stay with somebody, bitch, flew first class.
I ate the show tonight, cuz Jimmy Fallon. Ballin' like KG Pop Pierce, Ray Allen. Really been thuggin' with X since Malcolm. And Hood came in with the bird like a falcon. Stay with the Drake like a home with OVO. Had to bust the block down like the movie store. No, I'm a fool with this shit like Julio. Meet the 6, Alabama 6 double O.
I need all my money on time, don't care who we owe. Slip my foot in the game like I'm Coolio. Step on the nigga, don't give a fuck who we know. Bitch, I'm different, don't care about no coochie hoe. Before rap, I had rocks and I let it roll. Came a long way from noodles off Greenwich stove. Now we eat steaks with the shrimp with the sushi roll. I'm quick to spend pay, but I'm quicker to get it though.
Don't make it for dinner, but I got them dinner rolls. Away from the block, now I'm taking portfolio. Racks in my pocket, couldn't fit in no bill for. Fork in that water, I'm trying to find Nemo. Get killed by a kryptonite, trying to be a hero. He the last of the dragon, kick ass like Bruce Leroy. On that corner, break down with that dough like a beaver. Got some beef for their ear like a motherfucking kilo.
Draw down, he race a nigga face white right in. All in your bitch ear like Tyson. Ran up a check on these niggas like Nike. I'm a dog ass nigga with a bird like Mike Big. Nickname BBL, hell on they ass. Tatted up like Chipotle bag. Monopoly man, how I ran with that sack. Pushing horse like, who is that boy on that name?
See, I was a little boy, but now look, I'm that nigga. 300 on jury, I'm different. 4 pockets full out of shit, got me lippin', still crippin' and quick to go slide on them music.
6 double on my chain, got your home, my dangle line. Checking them boots with a Mexican chingo blank. I was dancing as a child, make her say my name. I made strips with the sauce like Raisin Cane.
Told the chopper that bitch go per-up-a-dum. Step on these niggas like feet 5 4 thumb. Burst in the bitch like some peppermint gum. Neck water, nigga reach for this bitch and he done.
They don't Bro, we got a group of Asians. I thought they're like GTRs and shit.
Exotic to them, right?
Bro. Damn.
Yo, I gotta get.
Bro, it's vague with Pac-Man and shit.
My mom walking home before 11.
So we gotta, you ain't, hey, what?
Hell yeah, we playing these.
You got options, so I need to get this shit here.
Well, you really playing Pac-Man, you know. Look. Yeah. That's something different.
Hell.
Playing Pac-Man on the face. Hey, where's Edgar's? Who's that? They're all over at Edgar's.
What the fuck?
2, 3, go. Take it home.
Leon pulled up on us at the meeting, man. Outside, you know.
That's my face.
You never know who you gonna see.
Happy birthday, dear Nosy.
Oh, bro.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Appreciate y'all.
Oh, that shit turn.